one of the main ingredients, and this is papaya. If you're getting on in age and you're trying to roll back the years, 10, 20 years back, this is for you. This is one ingredient that is going to do a number, that is going to transform your skin into young, glowing skin. Now, what about this papaya that is so, good for the skin? Papaya have vitamin A. And in case you don't know, vitamin A is a form of a retinol that is going to help to boost the collagen production in the skin. Vitamin A is going to nourish the skin and just plump that skin up. Just have that skin looking amazing. Now, guys, this is the papaya peel right here, and right above here is where you're going to find all the wonderful goodness for your face. Okay, so that said, do not throw the papaya peel out when you're making your anti-aging facial using the papaya. The papaya seeds is also great. When you take this papaya seed and you just burst it open like this, that water coming from the seed is loaded with nutrients. It's loaded with the vitamins for the skin. It's loaded with vitamin A that is going to help to get rid of the wrinkles and fine lines. Now, what I'm going to do with this papaya for this facial, we're going to cut the papaya in small pieces for easier blending. Now, papaya is great on the skin. I'm going to just blend the papaya, both flesh and peel, and you're not going to add any water to this. You're just going to blend as is. This is it. Blended papaya. Really nice. You don't even realize that this have the peel. It came out so nice. So you really want to really blend this well. But we're not wasting any of this. We're getting everything out. This is too precious to waste. So here we have our anti-aging ingredient. And next, guys, I'm going to work on the second ingredient that is going to complement this. And this is our potato. Irish potato, some people call this Idaho potato. So that's what we're using. Do not use sweet potato for this recipe. Now we're using potato in this recipe for a number of reasons. We're using the potato because it has properties that can help to lift and tighten the skin. The potato also have properties that will get rid of hyperpigmentation from the skin, scars, dark spots, and blemishes. Not only that, the potato also contain wrinkle-fighting properties. So that's the reason why we're using the potato. So prepare the potato. I'm just going to chop it first into halves. This is what the potato look like on the inside. Fresh potato. And we're not using potato peel here, guys. We gotta peel this. So we're peeling our potato. So I'm just gonna chop the potato. Now, if you do not have a blender, do not feel left out. You can still make this recipe. Just grate the potato, and when it comes on to the papaya, just crush it or mash it with something and squeeze it through a cheesecloth. All right? So now we are gonna be blending the potato. Now, before I blend the potato, let's move on to the next ingredient. Here's the next ingredient, which is dried orange peel. This is what's gonna have your skin looking radiant because it contains vitamin C, which also helps to clear the skin of spots and blemishes. It's a wonderful brightening agent. So we are gonna be blending this dried orange peel to a powder, and this is what it looks like after blending. So now we're going back to our potato because we are going to be blending the potato along with the dried orange peel powder. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of the dried orange peel, and I'm going to pour this in the blender with the potato, and I'm just going to cover and blend. Do not add any water to this. Take a look at this. This is the blended potato with dried orange peel. Oops. This is it, guys. Awesome. You can store the potato and dried orange peel in your refrigerator for about 7 days. Now take a look at what we have here. We have our papaya puree, and we have our potato orange peel puree. And now we are going to combine these two together. But we have some other ingredients we're going to be using. We're going to be using some grapeseed oil or some coconut oil. Now guys, if you have oily skin, I suggest you use the grapeseed oil. If you have dry skin, use some coconut oil. Or go ahead and use some olive oil or some sweet almond oil in this recipe. And that is it for regular oils. Now, take a look at what we have here. We have vitamin E oil. So we're going to be adding some vitamin E oil to this awesome goodness, okay? Alright, so now let's put this together. You're also going to need a jar for storing. I have the papaya, and this is about a quarter cup of papaya, which is about 60 ml. And we're moving on to the potato and dried orange peel. We're going to match that. And basically the same amount, 60 ml. Let's just use up all of this. I'm going to be using coconut oil in mine. I'm using a half a tablespoon of coconut oil, which is 7.5 ml. Use the same amount of oil, whatever oil is it you are using. And now for our vitamin E oil, I'm using a teaspoon depending on your vitamin E, give and take. You can also use your capsule in this, vitamin E capsule. Use your discretion with the vitamin E. Now guys, if you want to even kick this up a notch, you can go ahead and you can use some vitamin A capsule to further kick up the vitamin A in this for aging skin. If you do not have the vitamin A capsule, not to worry, you could leave it out because the papaya already contains vitamin A. You can also tip a little bit of your rosehip oil in this to further kick it up if you're looking to make it much stronger. Alright, I'm going to use my vitamin A capsule. It's optional, guys. Vitamin A is very strong. You really do not need a lot. I'm just using 2 capsules. And now we are just gonna blend this together. Just mix it in. This is like the best anti-aging facial mask using natural ingredients, guys. This is really an awesome blend. And let me tell you something about this. When you place this facial mask in the refrigerator, it's going to activate the catecholase in that potato. And it's going to give you even better results. So this is really good to use cold, very cold on your skin. Alright, so do that. You can even choose to make this in ice cube. Pour it in containers and just use this to rub on the skin. Alright, now this is ready, and we are going to pour in our jar. Let me just scoop this in our jar. Make sure to get everything out of this. Now here we have it, guys, our potato papaya anti-aging facial mask for younger looking skin, 10 to 20 years younger, 25 years younger, just great skin, wrinkle-free skin. Now this is best used when it is cold. So place this in your refrigerator for about an hour or so before you use it, or overnight. Keep this in the refrigerator for no more than 7 days since it contained raw ingredients. Alright guys, so I'm going to place mine in the refrigerator. Just apply it to your skin, leave it on for 30 minutes, and then you rinse off with some warm water. Use this 2 to 3 times per week for best result. If you're just starting out and you want to see awesome result, you can use this every other day. And then when your face starts to look much better, you cut down to 2 to 3 times per week.